Hey everyone, welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is squirrel. That's right, those little bushy-tailed creatures that love to dart around in trees and gather nuts. Let's start with the spelling. It's spelled S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. A little tricky, right? But don't worry, we're going to nail this pronunciation. The correct way to say it is squirrel. Let's break it down step by step. First, squeer. Say it like the start of squirt, squeer. Then, uhol, like the sound at the end of cereal. Uhol. Now let's say it all together. Squirrel. One more time. Squirrel. Perfect. Now what does squirrel mean? A squirrel is a small rodent, often with a long, bushy tail that lives in trees and collects food like acorns. They're famous for their speedy movements and sometimes mischievous behavior. Fun fact, the word squirrel comes from the Greek word skiuros, which means shadow tail. That's because their tails are often so fluffy, they look like they're casting a shadow. Let's practice it one more time. Squirrel. Amazing! You got it! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.